Hello, good morning students. Welcome to my channel. Today in this class we will study topic interrogative pronoun. Interrogative, very well you know students, these are used to ask questions. So what are interrogative pronouns? Who, whom, whose, what, which, all these are called interrogative pronouns. They are used in place of noun in the sentence to ask questions. Now they are used to ask questions and they are used in the beginning of the sentence. Interrogative pronouns is always used in the beginning of the sentence. Now who we use when we are referring to the subject. It refers to the subject of the sentence. Whose is used to whom does something belongs to, like whose book is this. Whom, talk about people. Now whom do you want to meet? Now next, what, talk about animals, things or an idea. What we use to talk about animals, talk about peoples, or when we talk about any idea. Then which is used to talk about persons, things or choices. Persons also जब हम लोगों की बात करते हैं, चीज़ों की बात करते हैं या हम चॉइस की बात करते हैं, like which is your favorite fruit, apple or banana. So here we are asking choices. So students, in this way all these interrogative pronouns are used. Now let's do some exercises to clear this topic. Let's do this exercise students, given on page number 123. Exercise is fill in the blanks with correct interrogative pronouns. You have to fill interrogative pronouns in these sentences. First is dash of these bags is yours. Now which of these bags is yours? First you will fill which. Second, dash are you traveling with? What will come here? Whom are you traveling with? Dash is the time. What is the time? Next, dash broke this window. Who broke this window? Next, dash are these bats. Whose are these bats? Whose? Next, dash were you wearing yesterday? What were you wearing yesterday? So what will come here? Next, dash is your best friend. Who is your best friend? Next, dash is your father. Who is your father? Now the boy will give answer. He is a doctor. So now students, in this way you will fill these interrogative pronouns in the blanks. Let's do next exercise given on page number 124. Question is fill in the blanks with suitable pronouns. First is Radha has done dash homework. Has Aman does dash. Now what will come? Radha has done her homework. In next blank, has Aman does his. Aman is a boy, so his will come here. Now B part. If you bring dash dolls, we will bring dash. If you bring your dolls, we will bring ours. Now C part. First you tell me your name. First you tell me your name. Then I will tell mine. So next blank you will fill mine. Next D part. Mother helped me with dash homework. With my homework. E part. Sudha and I are washing our hands. So here you will fill our. Sudha and I are washing our hands. Next exercise students, 19 number we are going to do next. Complete these sentences using a suitable pronoun together with the words given in the brackets. In bracket one word is given. you have to use that word and you have to also use suitable pronoun to complete the sentence. First is he has forgotten dash, then trousers is bracket word. So what will you write? He has forgotten his trousers. He has forgotten his trousers. Now B part. They have lost dash keys. They have lost their keys. Now C part. Sorry sir, I haven't done dash homework. My homework. I haven't done my homework. Next D part. The cup is without dash handle. The cup is without its handle. The cup is without its handle. Now E part. Is this dash pet dog? Is this your pet dog? Is this your pet dog? Now question mark because it is question. Now next. The teapot is without dash spout. Without its spout. So here you will fill without its spout. Now G part. Will you please give us back dash ball? Will you please give us back our ball? Next H part. Meena can't remember dash tables. Her tables. Meena can't remember her tables. Now I part. I have forgotten to bring dash eraser. My eraser. I have forgotten to bring my eraser. Now J part. I left dash tiffin box. I left my tiffin box. I left my tiffin box. So students, in this way you will fill these words in the blanks and complete the sentences. Now exercise number 20. Make sentences using the given pair of pronouns in each sentence. The first one has been done as an example. What is first one? Example is I and my pronouns are given and sentence is I am doing my homework. Now A part you have to do, the words are we and are. So what sentence can you make with we and are? You can write we are eating our lunch. We are eating our lunch. Now B part. B is you and your. So what can you write? You are reading your book. Now C part. They and their. They are doing their work. You can write they are doing their work. Now next one, D part. She and her you have to use. She is helping her mother. So write down she is helping her mother. Now next E part. He and his. So you can write he is wearing his new shirt. So students, in this way any sentence you can write here which comes to your mind, but you have to use both the pronouns, subject pronouns as well as object pronouns to make the sentence. So students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood this topic. If you like my way of teaching students, press on like button, share your views in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. We'll meet again with another video. Till then, bye bye. Have a good day, children.